مرحبا جميعا. Hello everybody. أتمنى أن تكونوا جميعا بخير. I hope that you are all doing good. Welcome to another day translations video. Today we are going to have a lesson about the past tense in Arabic الفعل الماضي. So keep watching. In our previous lesson of the Arabic present tense, we said something interesting. What is it? We said that in Arabic, when we want to conjugate verbs into different tenses, we just add prefixes or suffixes to the verb in the infinitive. So let's see some infinitive verbs in Arabic, and this time we are going to conjugate them in the past tense. The verbs are kataba and darasa. So let's try to conjugate the first verb, which is kataba, with all the Arabic personal pronouns. We are going to follow the same trick that we did in the present tense lesson. We are going to add the infinitive verb kataba with all Arabic personal pronouns and then try to add the necessary changes. أنا كتبت. أنا كتبت. I wrote. And here we added the suffix ta. أنت for masculine, كتبت. أنت كتبت. And here we added also the suffix ta. أنتِ for feminine, كتبتِ. أنتِ كتبتِ. You wrote. And here also we added the ta. Now you may ask, with the pronouns أنا, أنت, أنتِ, we added the same suffix, which is ta. So what is the difference between them? The difference is in the Arabic vowels. We have dhamma, which produces the sound u. We have fatha, which produces the sound a, and we have kasra, which produces the sound i. Let's repeat the verbs again. كتبت. Notice the sound u at the end. كتبت a. كتبتِ i. Let's continue with the rest of the verbs. هو كتب. هو كتب. He wrote. And here the verb stays as it is in the infinitive. هي كتبت. هي كتبت. She wrote. And here we added the ta as a suffix. أنتما كتبتما. أنتما كتبتما. You wrote. And here we added mim and alif at the end. هما كتبا. هما كتبا. They wrote. And here we added the alif at the end. As we mentioned in the lesson of the Arabic pronouns, أنتما and هما are specific Arabic pronouns referring to two people. نحن كتبنا. نحن كتبنا. We wrote. And here we added the suffix nun alif at the end. أنتم for plural masculine, كتبتم. أنتم كتبتم. You wrote. And here we added ta mim at the end. أنتن for plural feminine, كتبتن. أنتن كتبتن. You wrote. And here we added ta nun at the end. هم. They for plural masculine. هم كتبوا. هم كتبوا. They wrote. And here we added waw alif at the end. هن for plural feminine. They. هن كتبنا. هن كتبنا. They wrote. As you can notice, in the Arabic past tense we just add suffixes, not like the case of the Arabic present tense in which we add prefixes and suffixes. Let's try it with another verb. The following verb is درس. أنا درست. أنا درست. I studied. أنت درست. أنت درست. You studied. أنت درست. أنت درست. You studied. هو درس. هو درس. He studied. هي درست. هي درست. She studied. أنتما درستما. أنتما درستما. You studied. هما درسا. هما درسا. They studied. نحن درسنا. نحن درسنا. We studied. أنتم درستم. أنتم درستم. You studied. أنتن درستن. أنتن درستن. You studied. هم درسوا. هم درسوا. They studied. هن درسنا. هن درسنا. They studied. As you can notice, the suffixes with the verb درس remain the same. Now we arrived at the end of this video. See you soon. إلى اللقاء.